Hello everybody. I'm standing here on my roof in Amsterdam, West, Netherlands, and I'm filming something really unique. And that is a sky without any plane in the air. The Iceland volcano exploded and brought this massive ash cloud over Europe. So for 2.5 days already we have no chemical spraying planes in the air, no traffic at all, and I want to share this with you. At the moment I'm showing you the northern direction of Amsterdam, Central Station, the Silver Tower in the far end. I turn to the east now and you see there is no plane inside. It's absolutely fantastic. No sound, no noise, no chemtrails, no contrails, nothing. Which brings me on an idea, and that's the following. To create a worldwide one-day no-flying. Just now I realize and feel how quiet Earth is normally without these 25,000 planes being in the air every single second. I show you the south of Amsterdam now. In Amsterdam we have this one Sunday a year, is no car Sunday, autoloze zondag. Nobody can bike, roller skate, skateboard, walk on all the streets which are normally occupied by cars, and it gives this wonderful togetherness feeling. So I propose to make a one-day no-fly day above at least Holland. You want to join me? Email me sky@skycamps.org. Isn't it fantastic? Look, I'm facing all the way up now. All the way. You see nothing, just blue. Ah, there's something flying. I got you. But this is silent. Enjoying yourself, little friend. What a sensation. There's another one. No chemtrails. No, nothing. I love it.